Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of just showing how I do my paper tearing for like some projects. The easiest way for me, I guess. I am not the inventor of this, so don't be giving me credit for that. But anyway, I'm using this KLJYP die. It's actually like almost like a planner slimline style one. I use the biggest. It's like a stitch torn rugged look, and I'm using the Hey Santa collection in my regular like 12 by 12 sheet. And then this stuff, they're like different shades of like creamy pinks. This is from the Michaels 110 pound set. It's not the prettiest pink, so that's why I'm using it as the base. So literally you need the base to be your strong point, and then your other two pieces, the ripping, I'm gonna glue on like one piece and then rip the other piece. Because if you start ripping two random pieces, sometimes they don't line up and there could be a crack in between. You can also do 3 different sheets of paper if you want as well. So I'm just gonna glue this on real quick. I would use double-sided tape normally, but you know, hot glue just, it's faster, it's easier. Okay, so I just did some hot glue. I need to order a new Barely Arts wet glue. So I just layered it up. Again, you could use this, but it's gonna be clumsier because it's only like 60-pound weight cardstock. So here's your pieces. I'm just gonna use probably this one to go with it. And whichever way you rip towards yourself, the bottom piece is going to have white on it that shows like the tearing. You can like rip it at an angle, which I think I'm gonna do. So I kind of just hold it with my finger down and then just pull, and that way you can kind of shape where you want the tearing to go. So I can do it like this, and then once you have your other piece, you can do it like so. And this one's not necessarily, see how this has like all the white? I'm trying to show you guys the white where it shows like the tearing. I do like the way that looks, and your other piece is not going to have that because of the way that you were ripping, but you can easily go in and just rip off away from you, and it'll start giving that white edge. That way you can use both pieces and have the white showing. So again, there we go, perfect. And then that one can go on this guy. So I'm going to glue this guy down. And I didn't use a lot of glue because I am going to go around the entire edge of this and give it some gold stitching. Okay, so I went ahead and stitched some gold thread around the edge. Sometimes I'll do like a Frankenstein stitch across this, but I just left it how it is because I am going to be taping these down. These are like a bookmark die from Amazon, as you can see right here. So it's kind of got that like page flag. I think this would be cute for embellishments. It's got the stitching detail on there, and then the nesting different sizes as well, and perfect for putting like little sentiments on it. And then it also comes with this piece, which is like the flag style one on both ends, and you get 4 little pieces of those as well. Very cute little inexpensive set from Amazon. And I'm going to tape these on together next to each other. And for that, I am going to use, this is the Alina Craft double-sided adhesive tape. This stuff, I kid you not, is so strong. I was trying to use this for my dies, like my regular dies that I use, you know, that I need to have removed. It's so strong that it'll rip the paper off when you rip your die off. Obviously, I'm just gifting this so they could rip it off and then have it. And they're not gonna be able to save this piece. But that's part of Happy Mail. So I'm just gonna peel that off like so. And have my little die at the bottom. And where's the other one? There it is. And then this guy kind of covers up the stitching. And just push it down. Because once it's down, it's down. And then I am going to package this up in like a little like baggie. And this gold thread got a little cray over here. Just trip it off. So yeah, that is some paper tearing, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.